Good day, everyone. Today we will be taking a look at the proper pronunciation of ed at the end of verbs in the past tense, regular verbs to be exact, past participles, and adjectives. Let's dive in. Ed appears at the end of a regular verb in the past tense. Example: wanted, helped, lived. Sometimes in adjectives ending in ed: tired, embarrassed, relaxed. To get it right, we need to be mindful that the pronunciation of ed at the end of words sometimes causes problems for non native speakers because it can be pronounced in three different ways: as in stopped, d as in loved, id as in wanted. Getting it right. Before we look at the different sounds and rules, we must learn about voiced and voiceless consonants, unvoiced consonants, in other words. Do you know what voiced and voiceless consonants are? If not, I'll tell you now. Voiced consonants, your vocal cords vibrate when you say them. Examples are B, D, G, L, M, N, R, V, Z. Voiceless consonants, no vibration, just air passing through. Example: P, T, K, F, S, SH, CH, TH. Let's test it out. Put your fingers on your throat and say Z. Feel the vibration? Now say S. No vibration. That's it. Voiced equals vibration. Voiceless, no vibration. Now that we know the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds, we can look at the following rules. The id sound: if the last letter of the word is spelled with a D or a T, the ed is pronounced as a separate syllable with an id sound. It rhymes with kid and lid. For example, wanted, needed, folded. Example 2. The t sound. Voiceless consonants. No vibration, just air passing through, as the examples mentioned before. You pronounce the ed as the following: talked, kissed, parked, helped. As an example, with the word helped, if you say helped as a two-syllable word, then it's very likely that the people will not understand the word or what you are saying. The third sound is d. If the last letter of the word ends in a voiced consonant, examples, as mentioned before, the word sounds as follows: played, closed, opened, lived. Now let's practice. Write the correct ending for these verbs. You can pause the video and write these words in a separate piece of paper. When you are ready, you can go ahead and continue the video for the answers that will follow. No cheating. Okay, now that you have completed the exercise, let's move on to see the answers. If you did not get them all right, don't feel bad. It's okay. You can always practice some more. Now, the correct pronunciations of these words are liked, walked, played, talked, needed, tried, watched, started, jumped, and cooked. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your English pronunciation. See you in the next video.